Hello guys, welcome to my channel Electrotech Center. Today we are going to learn how to interface and program input switches to 8051 controller. First of all, we will see the schematic diagram for that. So here it is my schematic diagram. So here I have connected one switch to P0 port and one switch to P2 port. So as we know, P0 port don't have internal pull-up. That's why we have to need external pull-up resistor here with 5 volt power supply. And for P2 port, internal pull-ups are available. That's why we don't need to add external pull-up resistor. Directly you can connect the switches. So as per switch condition, switch input, we have to make this LED on and off. So we will see how to write code for that. So let's open Keil IDE. So here I have written code. So I have taken one pin as a input, two pin as a input for switches and one pin as a output for LED. So here you have to set mode for input pins. By setting one, you can set it as an input. For output, you don't need to give any uh, 0 or 1. It is by default in output mode. But while using as an input, you have to set this mode by setting 1. So that I have done here. So in while mode, I am reading switch 1 and switch 2 input, whether it is pressed or not. If any one switch is pressed, our LED will glow, otherwise it will remain in off state. So now we will build that code. You can see zero error, zero warning, and our hex file is also generated. So now we will load that hex file in our Proteus. So here I am loading the hex file. I have loaded the hex file. Now we will simulate the code. So LED is not glowing because we have not pressed any one switch. So if you press the switch, that LED you can see glowing. If switch 2 is pressed, LED is glowing. So that's how you can read input from switches and uh, detect it on output pin. So that's all about the switch interfacing and programming. So in next video we will see how to interface LCD display 16 into 2 with microcontroller. So thanks for watching.